know. Pretty shiny too. Is this like a frozen overworld? You jerky bird! You birdie jerk! I hate you! I hope your species die in the fire! Hey! Welcome back to Papa's House! I'm the Game Papa and we are back with more Megaman 11! Now when we last left off, I scored count them, 4 Robot Masters after countless amount of trials and me just generally being sucky at, at platforming games. But I got a good score. Take a look, and I did some collecting off screen, and I'm pretty confident about my, my chances of going up against the rest of these 4 jerkos. But jerkos? Why am I saying that with a British accent? Jerkos. Select screen. I keep forgetting that everything about this game is fantastic, including the soundtrack and the character. The enemy, not the character. The enemy select screen, the stage select screen is especially fantastic. Listen to this. Memories, nostalgia, just dripping all over the place. Like a leak. I said I was confident, but apparently not, because here I am back to Dr. Light's lab. I'm gonna buy a couple of things to save my butty butt. So, yeah, Pierce Protector might be pretty good.
Are you sure?
Sure, I'm sure. What are you talking about?
Already. Good luck out there, Mega.
Thank you. Oh yeah, and Beat Call saved me like last time when I was in, what was his name? Impact Man.
Already.
So yeah,
Good luck out there, Mega.
Cool. Yeah. Let me just buy one more. Yeah, can you?
Ta-da!
There you go. Yeah. Okay. So.
Good luck out there, Mega.
I know. A lot of people.
Can I interest you?
Whoa! What's that? That's shiny. Power shield. Lessens the amount you are pushed back when you take damage.
Sure this is what you want, buddy?
Sure. I don't want.
There you have it.
Equip now. I don't want to accidentally get pushed into a ravine while I was I was getting shot. That's like adding insult to injury. That's like putting a whoopee cushion underneath an electric chair. It's like, what's the point? Okay, so yeah, one of the benefits of having failed repeatedly is that now I can employ some kind of a logic when I'm selecting my stage. So the last guy I beat was Bounce Man, which has a really fun stage. But so the next one I'm gonna try, I'm gonna apply a little bit of video game logic here, and because Bounce Man uses rubber for his balls, rubber balls. Juvenile humor off the charts. But I'm gonna go ahead and guess that rubber nullifies electricity. So I'm gonna go to Fuse Man's stage, which was last time I visited, was filled with electrical stuff. So I'm gonna give it a shot. Let's go. Yo go. Fuse Man, and he. Oh hey! This song. Ow! Whoa! Okay. Yeah, before I was so rudely interrupted. Okay, I guess I'm not supposed to walk on that electrical vent. Hiya! Alright, this song that you're hearing, or not hearing because my dumb voice keeps blocking it, is actually the song that was on the promotional material of Mega Man 11. I'll let you enjoy the thing while I'm, I'll be quiet for a bit. Yeah, that song. That was a song that was used in promotional materials for Mega Man. Advertisements, commercials, YouTube ads, that kind of thing. That was a song. I didn't realize it was Fuse Man's actual stage theme. That is amazing. That is not amazing. Okay. Whoa! Hey. Now! Oh.
Here.
Bounce, right? There we go. Ow! I still got hit. Dang it. Something tells me I shouldn't waste this. Okay, right. Yeah. Oh, I know. I was about to say, one of the benefits of having failed so many times is that now I know the gimmick and how the stages work. But apparently I don't. So, because I'm a big dumb dummy. Hiya. Okay. Ah! Ooh, wait, what? What?
Speed gear.
Yeah, that's what I meant to do. How come it didn't let me do that? Whatever, probably because I'm dumb. Okay, here we go. Hi, open up. Thank you, sir. No, that's death. Okay. Oh, hiya. No, why? Why? I could shoot through walls just fine before. Why couldn't I? Oh, because of the electricity vent. Okay. Fine. Oh, and there's one thing I forgot to tell you guys about these things. Long-time Megaman fans will probably know about about those thingies that's crawling down on the floor, but new players probably won't know if I do this. They stop. Okay. I was feeling smart too, you jerks. Yowie. Now I'm not too sure about my moves anymore. Oh, this one. Yep, I remember this one. Hiya! I am cool, he says, patting himself in the back before dying terribly because of some karma mishaps. Ow! Like that. Like a dummy. Okay. Ah, cool guy. Glasses guy. Whoa, hey. Oh yeah. Okay, the mini boss here is kind of nice because he's a cool guy with glasses who's trying very hard to kill me. Well, although he didn't have to try very hard because I'm doing his job for him. And the thing that I have to hit is his glasses, which is kind of jerky, Capcom. You don't hit a cool guy in the glasses. That's just like, punching a dude on the donka-donk. That's not what I wanted to do at all. He's dead. Oh, I broke his glasses. That's what you get for messing with Megaman. Dude, man, I will destroy your glasses like a nerd. No, I mean, I destroy your nerd glasses, not nerd destroying glasses. I don't know what I'm talking about right now. Okay, fine. Alright. Oh, whoa, hi! No, that is bad. Speed up is needed. Speed it. Okay, yeah. Apparently you bats were asleep and now you decided to foil me once again, bats! I sounded like the Joker earlier. No. The Joker will be watching this and he will go, who? Me? No! I do not associate with that moron! Don't put me in the Clown Prince of Crime in the same league as that idiot. Why? Yeah. So much splashy. I mean zappy. I can't even make proper commentaries anymore. My brain is smushed. Alright, okay. Oh yeah, Samson over here. Need a lesson in manners. So yeah, I could have skipped him, but I don't wanna. I wanna kill him. So I don't know why I'm feeling so manic today. Because I probably got I just ingested like a can of soda pop earlier, so that probably affected my disposition. No. Why? Oh, there. That was a safe spot. Dang I could have gotten that too if I wasn't being such a dingus. No! Why did I do that? Because I'm a dingus. Okay. And I'm pretty sure this is the boss. So
Speed gear.
speed up. Yep. Okay. Everything's good. Everything's hunky dory. I'm gonna switch to bounce man, bounce balls, and hopefully this went better than last time. Here we go. I recognize that sausage. And I recognize you anywhere, sir. You're the guy who killed me last time. 17 times.
Speed gear.
Wah. Wah. Wah.
Speed.
Wah. Wahi. What? 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 Whoa, whoa, whoa. Blackout? Yeah, that's what you get, baby. If you're messing with me and my rubber balls. You get a blackout. You get a ball to the face. Sorry. I know. You're probably wondering what's so funny about a ball to the face. Trust me, it's hilarious. Balls especially. But okay. Anyway, what do you get? What do you get? I got Loki horn. All of you will bow down to me. Oh no. All of you will kneel. Okay. Oh hey, nifty.
Power gear.
And the controller shakes too. Let me try it. Unleash a cracking bolt of electricity that speed along the ground. Try it with the power gear to activate the voltage. And I could shoot upwards too, which is a new feature. Oh boy. Okay. It travels the ground. Oh, and it creates a shockwave in its wake. And that one just pierces through the enemy. Okay, gotcha. And I can shoot upwards too. That's always awesome. Okay. All done. Fuse Man down. Who should I try next? Okay. Employing the same kind of logic that I tried, I'm gonna have a guess that the next guy is most likely Tundra Man, because I can shock the living schnackles out of him using electricity, because his power base is water. Or so I guess. I'm going to... Path is getting clearer. I'm probably most likely gonna use Tundra Man's ice power on Torchman, and I'm gonna use Torchman's fire power on Blastman? Wait, Blastman is a bomb. How is shooting fire to a bomb makes it better? That's video game logic for you. I'm not gonna try to explain it. I'm just gonna save. Alright, save data. Yeah, okay. And I'm feeling good because I'm feeling good on a Wednesday because it's not even a Wednesday. I'm feeling good on it because I didn't use any of all the the bare necessities, that I thought I'm gonna need. But okay, maybe I am getting better. That's cool. That's always a good feeling. Okay, Thunderman. There we go. Yep. There's the ice skating, self-loving jerk who killed me without a second thought. And his soundtrack is pretty cool too, so I can't hold a grudge against him too much. Why? No. Pretty shiny too. Is this like a frozen overworld? You jerky bird! You birdie jerk! I hate you! I hope your species die in the fire! I don't know why I got so mad over that one tiny little thing. But I hate being punk like that. I also hate being surprised like this. So that's a double hate. Stop. Hiya. Okay. Right. And I'm sliding all over the place, which is exactly why I have a hatred against ice places, ice stages. I mean, they have a tendency to make you look like a dingus for failing a jump. No, failing a jump? No, for sliding all over the place. I'm not a dingus. I don't need your help to look like a dingus. Stage. That is so grody. I'm continuing with the 80s lingo until I die. Die, please. Toaster is now playing. Oh, okay. It's one of my friends that I met on in Twitter, the Taoist Dragon. He seems like a cool guy, and I suggested we struck out an unlikely friendship over some nudie. If you believe that. Okay. Well, he was I think yeah. We had a little chat about what we were supposed to do for his 100 Why yo? No, I don't want to go there. I want to go up there like a boss. Why? Why are you stopping me? So why? Ayo! Rush, thank you. No, Rush, why have you betrayed me, Rush? Your man's best friend. There we go. That's why I want to go up there. No! Oh, you jerky jerk! Oh, you jerky jerk! I hope your species died of fire, which your mother set because you were. Then there's absolutely no way of me getting that back with Rush, isn't it? Nope. Yep. I hate that bird. I hate it so much. Ow! I don't know why I wasted one spike shoes over at something stupid. But that's just me. I'm dumb that way. Oh, I didn't see you. I'm out of here. I'm out of here. How? Howdy, how? Oh, yeah, speak here.
Speak here.
Hi, Joe. What do you know? You're dead. That's what you know. How do I grab on there? Do I just... Okay, what was I talking about? Oh yeah, Taoist Dragon. So we had a discussion about what we should do. He should do for for his 500 subscriber special, I think. And I suggested Tasteful News because I'm original that way. And he did one of the funniest video I've seen on his channel. Go check it out. Go check it out. I'll put his link in my related links channel and in the link in my channel. I don't know what I'm talking about. I don't know. I'm kind of stressed out, guys. Hiya. That was too fast. That could have ended badly for me, but it didn't because I'm a good boy. I'm a good boy. And nothing ever ends badly for me. He says before dying terribly in the next couple of minutes. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, that is good. Oh, that is so good. Oh, that's so good. I didn't even know what I did. Next thing I know, boom, they're dead. Okay, I forgot what this thing is. I forgot what the mini boss is. Oh yeah, this guy. Oh yeah, there you go.
Speak here.
And there we go. Ow!
Speak here.
Hiya! No. Ow! Die already, please. Okay, no, he's not gonna die. Okay. No. Slide. Bingo. Slide bingo. And you're dead again, mammoth. This is the age of robots. Giant naked elephants like you have no business being here. Bunch of coins. Okay. Oh, jerky bird. Oh, jerky birds. I hate jerky birds so much. Die. Okay. I want to grab that, but I don't think I can. So, why did the wind pick up? Oh, you jerky jerk. Oh, you jerky jerk. I hate you. I hate everything about you so much. I forgot that the wind can, the wind can do that in this play. Hey, it's Joe. What do you know? He's dead. And you're dead. I love it when everything's dead. That sounded bad. I assure you, it is not. I am not a psychopath, sir. That I know of. Oh, I don't know what I'm even talking about anymore. I don't care. But I don't care. I'm having way too much fun. Yeah. Oh, I blasted all my speed gear thing. Nyai. Oh, hey. Oh, yes. I forgot about this segment. Pain in the Patushi. Everybody's dead. Yahoo! I can't believe I just said Yahoo in 2018. I should have said Google. Nerd joke. Nobody gets that. Okay.
Speed gear.
Wow. I should have stopped them. I don't know why I did that. I stopped something when I shouldn't have stopped it, and then I didn't stop something when I should have stopped it. Hiya! 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 That went better than expected. Hiya! Hiya! No, I don't care. Don't care. Yeah! Ah, yes! I feel like that's a massive achievement on my part. Okay. No, not the block guy. Thunder guy. Okay. Alright, here we go. Now, last time I faced off against this guy,
It's showtime!
there you go. The robot version of Vega.
Frozen in ice!
Yeah, sure. You love yourself so much, don't you? There we go. Yeah, elegance, huh? Aw, what's the matter? Not feeling so good? Ow! What? Owie! Oh, I forgot about that.
A grand finale!
And he died beautifully. He died the way he lived. Beautifully. I'm getting good at this. Not to toot my own horn. I didn't die once. I banished the boss relatively easy thanks to my prior knowledge of dying repeatedly. What is this? You got a new weapon, Thunderstorm. Oh, wow! Whoa, baby! Ah. Awesome! Yeah, what do you know? That prissy bastard was hiding something really cool underneath his belt. Okay, this is pretty neat. Although I can't use it like this all the time. Thunderstorm, yeah, this is like Zero's Rai engine or something. Yeah, oh no, his ultimate move, or Ryugen something. This is great. I like it. Okay, I believe I have enough time to tackle one more boss. Sure. I mean, hey, why not? I'm gonna try and tackle one more boss. All right, Torchman, coming for you, Bubba. And I think it kind of leaves me with odd numbers in Blastman, Torchman, and then odd numbers, which is because I know what's coming next. I know it's Wily's Castle, but fine. I guess I'll finish up one more and then call it a day. I think he's a kung fu master because I recognize that move. That's Lee Shogun's. What was it? Oh, I've never been to this stage before. Ow! Ow, you jerk! Die. Die by your own designs. Okay. I've never been to this stage before. Yo, yeah. I remember. I haven't beat this guy. Okay. Hiya. Precarious.
Be here!
Why can't I shoot you? Oh, because you're inside the pot boiler? Oh, I can shoot you in the ravine. Beautiful. This is also beautiful. Die. Okay, fine then. I guess. Yeah. Hiya. No. Owie. Rush. No. Well, I feel dumb. I was feeling cool. Now I didn't feel so cool anymore. No. No. I have a feeling I'm not supposed to touch that. So, why? What is going on? Why is it dark now? Oh, you jerky jerk. Oh, you jerky jerk. Is that how you're gonna play it, huh? Oh, yeah. Jump into the darkness. There's nothing there. How? How? Oh, yeah, sure, fine. The water is nice. Die. Die. I said die. Die, please. Thank you. Okay, I recoup my losses. Yeah, this might not go as well as I planned it, but... Oh, hey! Oh, I killed his fire, so he's nothing but a chicken now. I love it. I love it. Okay. Okay, sure. Yeah. But now I have a problem. I emptied up the weapon that's supposed to kill. Can you please? Yeah, bye. I emptied up the weapon that's supposed to kill, Torchman. Dang it. Yep, I knew that's gonna happen. I knew that invariably that's gonna happen. Ah, you jerk! But I can still make it probably. Okay, that's the sound that I make. No, why? It's always in the last one. It's always like this. Whenever I think everything is going my way, suddenly Destiny says, "No, you're gonna fail like a jerky jerk." Just like that! Dang it! I died over something incredibly stupid like that. Why did the fire speed up? And it's a good thing I don't have to pick it up anymore because I'm pretty sure I'm gonna risk life and limb over something that is so trivial.
Be here!
Bye! Goodbye, forest fire. I hope you burn everything to the ground, if necessary. No, forest fire is not cool. Some people in California are actually suffering for it. Bad Papa! Why did you even suggest that, you idiot? Okay. Because I was busy! Hey, Beat, yeah, I know. I'm being stupid. Thanks, Beat. I was incredibly moronic there for a second. But to be fair, this stage is not exactly helping me to stop being... Take a look at that! Take a look at that! Where am I supposed to go? How's that fair? I mean, I could kind of light up the place with, you know, kind of light up the place with using this. But I'm not moving. No, I'm not moving until you turn on the dang lights. Yeah, Mega. Where's the light? Thanks, Beat. Where? Oh, okay. Here. Okay. Ah, there you go. He fell that way. That means...
Meteor!
That means there's a ravine over there. There's something here. No! I shouldn't have killed him. Oh my god. Oh my god. Now I regretted killing an enemy. Ow! I shouldn't have killed him either. Dang it. Oh. Okay. Okay. Oh, Torchman, I'm gonna kill you extra hard. Just because of the fresh hell that you put me through in your stupid stage.
Meteor!
Die. Okay. Oh, and I suddenly remembered. I suddenly remembered for no reason the you know, the fighting style that that Torchman uses. It's called Bachi Kwan. Right as I died. Bachi Kwan, right? There is a local term for it.
Meteor!
Okay. Fine by me. No. No.
Meteor!
No. No. Oh! I don't care, I don't care, I don't care, I don't care, I don't care. Of course there's you. Of course there's you. Of course there's you. Shut up. Die. I don't care. I hope this forest burned to the ground. No, I didn't mean that. I didn't mean that. California guys, I don't mean that.
You made it. Now prove yourself. Fall to the fist of flame.
Yeah, that's Bachi Kwan. Lee Shogun does that. Why yo? Why yo?
Hey! Hey, hey, hey! Hey! True power!
Yeah, I'm guessing that's a power key.
Torch Jutsu forever!
Cool. Die. Gotcha. Oh, okay. Let's see what I got, shall we? That was quite an effort to get through. Dang it. I'm glad that he fall over like a leaf though. That's, you know. Hi. Oh. Ooh.
Power gear!
Is that a Hadouken? Spit the steering ball frame into the air. This fireball comes turning back down to earth. It's like turning a powerful jump kick. Trevor power gear is active to boost fireball. And I love how Megaman does a little hiya! You know, just, you know, all of a sudden he's a martial artist now. Ah, Blue Bomber, you are awesome. And I lost 3 lives, but that's fine because I only got Blastman to deal with. Unfortunately, I am out of time. I know. Just when you're having fun watching me die repeatedly too. Okay, yeah. It feels like, you know, despite of all my power-ups, despite of all the things that I acquired, despite of everything that I've done so far, I still lack training, son. Just like, you know, like a real kung fu master, whenever when they were still learning, they think that, oh, I mastered this, I got this. But you don't know, you really do not got this, grasshopper. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna train myself off screen, and I'm gonna tackle Blastman and eventually Wily's castle in the next episode. If you like this, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Leave comments in the comment section. Tell me what kind of game I should play in the future and what kind of suggestions I should do to improve the channel, and I hope you enjoy that. Now, get off my lawn! Bye guys! Bye! This is too much forest fire jokes that I did. I hope I didn't offend anybody in California right now. They're really having some serious problems over here. Yeah. If you can help, lend a hand. Okay?